Hello, this is Adam from City Kitchen and Bath. We are here in Fairfax. We'll go through a basement project that recently completed. The basement was completely unfinished, uneven floors, no insulation on the walls, electric cables were connected to each other, no recessed lights. There was many things that's supposed to be in here, so we completed all those. Customer found us on Google. We are 5 minutes away from his home. He reached us out and he had some ideas. He invited me his home. We go through all the details. Initially, we were planning to install a kitchen in this area and create a bar area in here. And then we moved there because over here it was going to be too small, and also the staircase was creating issues with the height, and we were not going to get a kitchen that's functional. So we moved there. And the bathroom was going to be a little smaller and a single vanity, and no tub, just a shower, but we extended that too. We moved toilet, installed a wall hang toilet, canceled a door. Now we have a bigger master bathroom and a bedroom next to it, and added a laundry room. A couple of questions arose during the project. One of them was exhausting out the food. Existing was connected to dryer and heater, so that was creating issues. Whenever you ventilated, then it was kind of dripping into bathroom, so we separated those. And then we added a nice modern finish to right side of the peninsula, so it can look cleaner. And then inside the bathroom area, we added heated floor because that area is right by the exterior wall, and in the basement, heating is not as good as upstairs. So we added that heated floor. When someone trying to get off from the tub, at least the feet going to be warm. And also we added one HVAC register there to keep it warm, but we made sure it's far enough from the tub, so in summertime, when it's working, the steam doesn't go up there and then drip as a water. Those were the things we added.